Hey y'all, it's me, Krizia K. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I'm glad to have you. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you are looking to grow with me and join the K Diamonds family. So this video is basically just letting you all, giving you tips on how to prevent bacteria vaginosis, aka BV. A lot of women has suffered from this particular, whatever you want to call it, bacteria that causes your pH to be off balance. So I was the type of individual, I grew up not knowing how to take care of your feminine parts and what type of products you can use to prevent the BV. So I am here today to give y'all some tips and tricks on what worked for me, because your girl did catch BV, honey. It is what it is. Judge me not, I don't care. But we are women. And for those of you who are watching this, I hope you're mature enough to take what I'm saying into consideration if you have struggled with BV, which is bacterial vaginosis. You can catch this from anything, okay? We're women, our pH go up and down depending on what we eat, as well as what we use on our bodies, okay? So first and foremost, I just want to let you all know, during sex, well, before you have sex, you must use the restroom. You have to use the bathroom. If you don't use the bathroom, girl, it is a high possibility that you might catch BV, okay? I know you in a groove, you want to get, do and whatever, but you need to use the bathroom before, and you need to use the bathroom after sex, as well as take a shower if you would like, okay? But you must use the bathroom. What that does is it cleanses your urethra, what you pee out of, it cleanses that to make sure it's no bad bacteria in there, okay? Now, FYI, I am not a nurse, I'm not a doctor. I'm just giving you all things that has definitely worked for me, okay? Another thing that you definitely need to do is stop wearing these thongs and stuff every day. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I like thongs, but girl, I come to realize I don't like wearing nothing. So let Peaches breathe. Peaches is the girl downstairs, that's what I call her. So let your Peaches breathe, okay? She needs to breathe, she needs fresh air. Just like when we get hot outside, girl, we want some AC, we want some air conditioning. Peaches gotta get some AC, she wants some air conditioning, okay? So let her breathe. When you go to bed, don't wear underwear. Just let her breathe. When you put on some pants, if you the type of individual that doesn't have like all of that discharge and stuff, then girl, go ahead and let her breathe, okay? I go commando a lot of times. And I feel like the more you go commando, the cleaner the cleaner she is. The more your pH stays balanced, okay? So try that out, y'all. Try that out and let her breathe, okay? Another thing that y'all need to stop doing, if you douche, girl, don't nobody douche no more, okay? If you douche, I was walking in Target or some store I was walking the other day, and I saw a little douche for women in a feminine aisle, and I was like, girl, why do they have these douches in here on this aisle? And it's not healthy but it's not healthy for Peaches. It is not healthy at all, okay, for you to be douching. I was brought up to douche. I have douched before, and girl, it threw me all the way off. I mean, when I used that thing, I was like, and that's when I was younger, probably in high school. I used that thing, girl, when I tell you that pH balance was off, and I was like, oh, something is not right. Come to find out, it was because the douching method, the douching that I was doing. Listen, ladies, stop douching. Even if you feel like you douching, oh, your Peaches is smelling good enough. No, boo-boo. No, I guarantee you 2-3 weeks after that, you're going to come down with a yeast infection or some a BV, bacterial vaginosis, okay? Our Peaches is very sensitive. She's sensitive down there, okay? So you have to just be very gentle with her. Understand what she likes. Understand what she does not like, all right? So what I realized, too, if you want to douche, girl, don't dish her. You can try to dish behind back there. I see a lot of people on here, y'all don't usually talk about, or they don't usually talk about your boontang. I call her the boontang back there, your behind. Some people like to dish their behind. Now, if you want to cleanse that out just with water, nothing else, just with water, then that's fine. But your peaches, baby, that's a whole different that's a whole different ball game, okay? So just stop dishing. Another thing that you all need to stop doing is wearing these tight jeans every day. I love tight jeans. Don't get me wrong, boo. I love my tight jeans, okay? But wearing tight jeans all the time, every day, like leggings, I'm more so going towards the leggings and the two-piece sets. Y'all know we like the two-piece sets nowadays because it's comfortable. But them jeans, girl, I don't even like wearing jeans no more, to be honest with you. Girl, I put on some jeans the other day and I was like, oh, I took them jeans off so fast because it's like it's really suffocating you. Wearing jeans suffocates you, okay? So try not to wear tight jeans all the time. Wear some comfortable leggings, wear some comfortable boy shorts or something like that, girl. Just let it breathe, okay? Now, I do have some products here to show y'all to prevent VV. This is what I have done for myself, okay? This is what I have done for myself, and you can also try it out as well. Now, one of the products that I don't have here that I definitely want to let you all know about is probiotic pills. You must take the probiotic pills. Take that, girl. Believe me when I tell you, take probiotic pills. Now, the probiotic pills that I usually use is Fem Flora probiotic pills that I usually get from Amazon or Walmart. I will post it down in the description box down below. But that is the pill that I usually use, is the Fem Flora, or I think that's the name of it, probiotic pill, okay? Another thing that I have here is from Now. It's called D-Monos. Now, this usually helps with your urinary tract health. So if you also suffer from UTI and things of that sort, this is a great product, a natural product that would definitely help keep your urethra and all of that clean. This is it. Okay, so D-Monos, it says healthy urinary tract, okay? That is one. Another thing that I do enjoy taking is this chlorophyll pills. Now, I'm gonna let y'all, I used to take the chlorophyll liquid drops, but that didn't work for me, and it does have like a minty taste. It wasn't nasty, but everybody, you know, body is different. So you can also try the chlorophyll drops, or you can try the chlorophyll super green pill. So this is from Now. Now, I usually take this. This is basically an inside deodorant. So it deodorizes the insides of your body. Not only taking these pills, y'all, but you need to start detoxing your body. You have to detox your intestines. What I notice is that your intestines is full of freaking waste. That smell in your intestines, it could come out of your pores. A lot of people don't know that, but the smell of your of the feces and or the whatever comes out, your boontang, girl, is in your intestines, okay? Food that has been digested. You need to start detoxing every month. I detox every month. I may go do a water fast, drink some tea, detox all of that stuff out of there, okay? You can't just be taking no chlorophyll pills, girl, thinking you deodorizing your insides. No, boo-boo. Go detox your body. Thank me later, okay? I am here to help y'all. I'm here to help y'all because, honey, I've been through it, okay? I have been through it, and now I know what the deal is. This is chlorophyll, super green, 90 veg capsules. You can definitely take this. And like I said, this is a internal deodorizer, okay? Now, another thing that I want to show you all is also these cranberry pills. Girl, I'm out of these cranberry pills. It was 30 tablets. I used to take these like if I feel like a UTI is coming or something like that. Now, some of you ladies may not even have to worry about none of this, okay? Some of you ladies probably never had BV. You probably never had yeast infections, never had STDs, or never had UTIs or bacterial vaginosis and things of that sort. That is good for you. But just in case you do, then take these tips because it would definitely help. This cranberry peels, this also helps for your urinary tract health as well. So you not only want to prevent the BV, but you want to prevent the UTIs as well, because all of that is bad bacteria that is causing you to have a UTI or to have bacterial vaginosis. So you want to eat those probiotic pills, to take those probiotic pills that instills good bacteria in your gut health, in you, okay? So these cranberry pills are also good. This is from Spring Valley. Okay, so this is from Spring Valley. So anytime now years ago, y'all, I had the worst UTI to the point where I couldn't even walk. Like, I cried. And if you have a UTI and you don't treat that, it can cause kidney stones, okay? It can definitely cause kidney stones. So make sure, if you feel like you got to use the bathroom and only one drop come out and you start feeling like a pain in your abdomen, listen, that's what that is. That's what UTI is. That's what a D-monos come in at, and that's what a cranberry pills come in at. And I kid you not, it would knock it out the park, okay? Another thing that I have here is Honey Pot Calming Lavender Rose Panty Spray. This spray is really good just to keep yourself fresh. This keeps me fresh all day, every day. Now, I do use different products to stay fresh down there, but this is one of the products that I use, which is the Honey Pot Calming Lavender Rose Panty Spray. Really, really, really good. It says fragrances, no fragrances, no parabens, no sulfates, and of course this is plant-based feminine care. So of course I don't use like a lot of different stuff on there, girl. So any plant-based products is very, very important to use down there. You don't want to use these chemicals and all of that. No. So I love Honey Pot products because they are plant-based. And on the back it says the ingredients for this. Hold on, let me find the ingredients for y'all. It says water in here, castor oil, aloe leaf juice, citric acid. So these are natural, ingredients that will help you deodorize and help you stay fresh. Just spray it down there. Like I said, I go commando, girl. So I spray it down there, put my leggings on or whatever I want to put on, and you be good all day, honey. You'll be good all day, okay? So if you do wear underwear, just spray it on your underwear, spray it on her, and then you good. So another product that I have for you all is another Honey Pot product. Baby, let me tell you, y'all, let me tell y'all, ladies. So if y'all not up on game with boric acid suppositories, baby, if you want to smell like water, if you want to smell like water, okay? If your man start, doing it do with you, and he be like, dang, I don't even smell nothing, like, hey, you wet, listen, start taking boric acid. Now, I will tell y'all this. I don't take boric acid every day. I don't take it every month, okay? Some people like to take boric acid after their cycle. I don't do that. I just let her cleanse, but when I feel like taking boric acid, girl, when I feel like I need a little oomph, this Honey Pot boric acid and herbs, it says boric acid, cocoa butter, and tea tree oil in their boric acid. I will open it up so y'all can see. So what you do is just pop this baby in her with the applicator. You lay back, pop her in there. When I tell y'all, your peach is gonna be smelling like tea tree oil. It's like a nice herbal smell. I did not, and I took another boric acid from another company before, and girl, it smelled like water, but this one here has like the tea tree and whatever, and it doesn't last, the tea tree, it don't last too many days, but girl, I like that smell. This is how it comes. Okay, so what you do, like I said, you take the applicator and you just stick her up in there, honey, and yeah, and you pop that baby in there, honey, and I'm telling you, this right here, y'all see I still, I don't use it all the time. I just use her when I want to use her, okay? So this right here is so good. So I'm going to tell y'all the directions on what it says. It says start with the clean peaches, insert after sex if needed, insert at the end of your cycle if needed to help promote a balanced peaches pH, insert twice a day, in the morning and at bedtime for 7 days. Okay, so this is a really good product. All right, really good product. All right, last but not least, well, nah, I ain't gonna say last but not least, but another thing that I want y'all to do, or if you would like to do, is take apple cider vinegar baths. Apple cider vinegar baths is really good. Take apple cider vinegar baths, or you could take a shot of apple cider vinegar, girl, and it cleanses your insides. It cleanses her, and it's very healthy for you. Sometimes you could put like 2 capfuls of apple cider vinegar in your water. Some people take chlorophyll water. Like, all of that cleanses her. Okay, all of that cleanses her. And another thing, last but not least, this is a hygiene little bag that I take with me sometimes, depending on where I go. I take her with me, and what I have in here, y'all, is just some water. I have a little Dove lotion in this container, and I have a little bit of water. I also have a tampon, just in case she come on when she don't need to be coming on. I have 2, what you call these, panty liners, just in case she start acting up, just off the blue, or come on, you know, when she don't supposed to be coming on, and extra underwear, and I have some baby wipes in here. So you all need to also have a hygiene little tote to carry with you wherever you go. Okay, so that is all that I have for you all to prevent BV. Listen, don't nobody want to be walking around with bad pH. All right, it's not a good look. It's uncomfortable. You don't feel confident, you know. So this is why I am giving y'all the tips and tricks, because I knew how I felt when I had BV. Okay, and you know, a lot of people wasn't able to let me know how to get rid of it or how to prevent it from happening. Okay, usually somebody catch BV, oh, go to the doctor, go take some antibiotics, but really you don't realize when you take antibiotics, baby, it comes right back. All right, so these are the tips that works for me, and I hope that it also works for you all. All right, thank me later, ladies. Thank me later, thank me later, thank me later. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also follow me on my social media platforms: Instagram, Krazia K, the number 1, TikTok, Krazia K. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Comment in the comment section down below. Let me know how you feel about this video as well, and join the K Diamonds family by subscribing. I love y'all.